Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Jazzy and you are watching your own YouTube channel, The Hedgers. In today's video, we are going to talk about Nifty trade that we took previous week and the Bitcoin price setup. We having a trade here for long and dollar index, Euro USD, S&P 500. Let's get to the charts without wasting any further time because I know YouTube videos are going very lengthy for the traders. So I just want to make them really short as much as possible. Yeah. This was the bull trap that we were already discussed in our Discord group, and we took that trade on this bull trap that people are longing this trade, and we are literally shorting this trade exactly to the 2 hour bearish order block, you know. And yeah, we already gave this trade setup in our group. I'll show you. Here we go. Yep. Before and after, this was the setup that we give our members. Buy side liquidity, poor high, 2 hours order block, above the pivot point. We just took that trade, literally having really nice confluences and also having a lot of breakout traders jumping on the gun. So that was our uh, confirmation that trade is going to go well. And this is our paid indicator only for our premium members that are gonna join us for for paid stuff. This is our indicator that gives us the exact take profit for our longs and give us exact short for our short trade. Okay, the signals indicator. Okay, based on a lot of things, a lot of strategies like moving averages, relative you know strength index, and etc. ATR also. So this is the short signal that we having a confluence from our indicator that we got, and we just took that beautiful trade. Um, as you can already see in our Discord group. Uh, Here we go. Yes, this is the exactly trade setup that we just put in our Discord group, and we took this trade setup exactly to the dollar. If you see here, exactly to the dollar. Okay, if you want, I can show you. Uh-huh. No here. Yes, maybe this one. Okay, sorry. Here we go. Did you see that? Exactly to the dollar. We took that setup, targeting the daily imbalance here. The trend line or the moon boys we're looking at has been rigged already to the downside. And now what I am looking right now for an immediate support for a scalp long, and this is the area of confluence uh, for a long scalp in this imbalance zone. The higher the imbalance, usually, like, the higher the time frame for these imbalances is, more effective they will become. You know, the lower the time frame, the less effective it will be. Okay, same goes to the order blocks and same goes to the imbalances. So right now For the immediate short term, I am looking at Bybit BTC USD pair for a trade setup in this zone that is having some confluences in my chart right now. As you can see, the range POC with high volume node and low volume node. Okay, DN POC, daily naked POC at 16,350. This is my last target for for the um, for the support for Bitcoin. If this breaks, then this is really ugly for Bitcoin, because high chances, really high chances that Bitcoin will be going to retest the equal lows or maybe deviate below it. If you know what I mean about the deviation of this range, okay? I will give you an example of that as well. Hmm. So we don't have much imbalance here in the BTC USD chart on Bybit perpetual, because it's kind of very tiny imbalance here on the daily time frame. But on the other pair that I was talking about right now, previously, the Bitcoin USDT Binance spot, that pair having really big imbalance uh, comparatively to this one. Okay, this is the daily imbalance, D1 imbalance. Just keep this in mind. We'll make it green, because this is our support box that I just drew for this purpose. Okay, D1 center right. Okay, so this is my key level as well, you know along with this imbalance zone. If price failed, Bitcoin price failed to hold this POC level, the high volume node and the low volume node, if failed, then also align with this daily level. If this failed, I will be looking for this zone here. Let me show you like this. If this doesn't hold, then I will be looking here for a bounce to the upside. If price do not respect this key level and this daily imbalance and slice through it to daily naked POC and the last support zone that I'm looking for here, the having nice support previously, accumulation as well. This is the zone where the third largest wallet of Bitcoin, the third largest whale, was accumulating the Bitcoin at this price when I saw it. So this is the immediate support. If it doesn't hold, then Bitcoin is high chance is going to test the value area low and maybe deviate below the relatively equal lows, and then having some bounce to the upside, possibly for a long scalp. So as being a trader, I just want to trade level to level. I just don't want to make it really hard or really wishful thinking or is really speculative. Okay, I just want to keep it simple level to level, what I am looking for right now, why I am looking it right now, because it's having really nice volume traded in this range. um, that's why I am looking for this range to hold the value area high and low of this range. Right now, value area low of this accumulation range is being holding. The deviation is to the upside, and probably we will having a good scalp setup in this range to the upside to value area high. Probably retest of this trend line towards 17,300 and making a probability of this range bound, making this head and shoulder bearish stuff, and probably then going to the downside. That makes sense. If that happens, then that makes sense. But right now the probabilities are really low for a downfall, like here, slicing the key level and slicing this DNPOC. I'm just being patient, and I am in a long position right now from this point, from 16,860. um yeah, I dollar cost average my position from 17,100 towards 16,750. So my average position is like 18 16,850 something. Yeah. So my take profit area is really simple: 17,100, 17,200, and last take profit will be 17,300. That's what I am looking for in this range right now. So you know, it really makes sense to just um, look for the price in this range. Okay. Retest of this trend line is what I am anticipating right now. So yeah, this is all for Bitcoin right now. I will give you just an overview of the next trade in this video. Mm, wait. Yeah, I'll be back. Just 2 minutes. Okay, one more confluence from the USDT dominance. Like, if you know that whenever USDT dominance goes up, price of Bitcoin goes down. This is inverse relationship with market cap USDT dominance. So as per our analysis previously, we were looking for um, you know, for the retest of this volume inefficiency pocket, and the 618 and 66 uh, to USDT dominance, but it just went through like this and then downside, which makes Bitcoin pumps towards $18,000 ballpark, 18,200 $300. So what happens after that? Taking the lows value yellow, it just pumped to the upside to retest our given target for the USDT dominance. And now what I am anticipating is for a pullback to the downside, which will definitely going to give Bitcoin a relief push to the upside. This is what I am looking for right now in this zone, in this immediate support zone here. Yeah, this is being the resistance area turned into support, and now it's being retested. Yeah. Okay, so this is all for Bitcoin. If you just want to um, if you want to mark this as a trade, potential trade, then you can do this for your understanding, for your like for your recall of your memory that we just took this trade earlier. So the entry point 16,850, 17,300, and price stop loss 16,553. Makes sense. So the 1.76 and 2.67, the risk reward is really reasonable here for a scalp, only for a scalp. No high margin, nothing, no high leverage trade. Okay, be careful. Okay, this was the nifty trade that we already give to our members previously. The previous week, it took our take profit 1 and take profit 2. That was really a nice trade. And if I can show you in our Discord group, uh, like in our Discord group as well as Twitter, as I posted it on my Twitter as well. Mhm. Yeah, here we go. Here's the take profit 1. Congratulations, everyone. If I'm not wrong, I have already give this trade um, from the start. From the start. Maybe this I just give it in my Discord. Yes, nifty. Yes, here we go. We give this trade in our nifty in our Discord group for the nifty trade. And also I just did a short video on this nifty short trade on YouTube. So those who took this trade are really in a good profit from the entry point here. Let's see, this is almost 2.30% profit for those who took this trade. And if you see the open interest for nifty trade, Yeah, 6 million open interest. Really big, big number. This is of today. Yes, from 9:15 to 7:30. The the Friday session. Intraday open interest. Whoa. The put change is 22.2 million. 16 December. Just so the open interest is really nice from the level of 18,400. So which means that most of the people are shorted 18,400 for a scalp today. Huh. Make a tiny profit, but uh, we just made big profit than those guys that just shorted today, literally from, yeah, 16th of December. 18,400 is the level of interest in the Nifty now. Okay, if you want to take this trade for a long scalp, like if you want to know the sign of its strength, then this 18,400 should reclaim as a support, flip into support. Then we can say that we are going to retest the structure, market structure, like this one or this one. Yeah. So possibly if we reclaim this, then we can say that we are going to retest the market structure. But until and unless we just having the resistance here, probably they are going to short again at this point, because we have seen a lot of open interest, increasing in open interest. The positions are increasing for a short in Nifty for at this point. So probably that we are going more downside. My ultimate target is the internal lows here, as you can see, and this trend line. This is all for Nifty. Now let's talk about the dollar index and also the S&P 500. Some short sellers are coming in at Bybit USD perpetual, but we having high amount of support below from the buyer side. So possibly that the EMA ribbon has been supporting the price right now. If we can see more upside, this need to hold here and flip this 17,015 dollars into support. This is the volume POC here, the high volume node of the lower time frame range. As you can see, the lower time frame volume value area low and high here. So we are in this range right now. Yes, this is the TPOC as well. We having the single prints to the upside. Exactly, this is my zone here for take profit if possible. If we flip this POC into support, then we can have a nice upside. But right now we having the 30 minutes order block here that has been rejected. So let's see if we hold this range and push more upside, then this trade is really nice. Else we will be going to retest the 16,750 level again. Yes, probably. So let's analyze the dollar index. So this falling wedge has been invalidated. This is a three drive pattern. Uh, One, two, three. Okay. Yes, here we go. Hmm. Okay, so I see what is happening here. Minus is exactly to the dollar and pumped. Mhm. Do a big range. Now take it from the low range to this point. having a really good support in this zone for the dollar index. We exactly bounce from the, as you can see, from this 272 and 341 pocket. The structure, if you see, is really bearish, making the lower highs and lower lows right now. So if we flip the immediate resistance like this, then I can say that dollar is becoming the entering into the bullish territory and making the lower higher lows and higher highs, breaking the lower highs. So that's what I am looking in the dollar index right now after reclaiming the weekly level, and this HR pocket. So first immediate support and resistance for the dollar index is this one. Need to flip it. Dollar need to flip it to become bullish again. If we reject it exactly from here, then high chances that um, high chances that it's going to go more downside. Yes, nice 6 1 and double six golden pocket here. If I take it from this point, yes, really near to this rejective territory of the golden pocket. And if I just take it from this internal high to this internal low, then we having really nice resistance out there. If I enable this 0.5, let's see where it, yes, zero point 0.5 is also having aligned with this support and resistance area. So from Fibonacci perspective, you can say that high chances that dollar index can reject and can have some resistance from here until it flip it into support. Okay, so if that is the case, then chances that traditional market and Bitcoin will be going to have some relief. Really, that is our scalp long always. Makes sense here. Yeah, this one. We having this 4 hour auto block here as well. Baby Shobi inside. Yes. So yeah, lots of resistance in this. Mhm. Resistance is quite nice in this zone. Yeah, you can see this. The golden pocket also at this order block, also 786. So yeah, having said that, it makes sense to to long the traditional market when price of dollar index comes in this trajectory and in this trajectory as well. Both of these can make sense for a rejection and making the relief ready for the traditional market and the crypto as well. So let's see the euro, what euro is doing. It giving any confluences to our idea of this dollar index. Oh my god, did the scalp trade on euro before? Hmm. Need to do this neat and clean analysis on euro again. Mm. If I just connect all these dots, then euro is looking really bearish right now. Swing failure. SFP. Market structure. This should hold here. If not, then this market structure shift will be invalidating at this point. Sorry. Think. Yes. Having an inefficiency here as well. Okay, let's do this. This is the high volume node for now in POC and high volume node for Euro USD here. Okay. If you can see that we're having a imbalance here. Oh, not D1, this is 4 hour. Okay, so we have order block. Hmm. Yeah, odds are really high that odds are really high that this pair is going to break the market structure and this trend line. High chances for the break of this trend line. Hmm. These two are the level of interest for Euro USD for a bounce from 1.053 and 1.046. So let's take a look at ES1 mini, ES mini. Okay, ES mini is going for the inefficiency, already been filled. Extend it. Okay, so going for the imbalance now, and the value area low 786. If this doesn't hold here, the S&P 500 mini, then the chances are really high for filling the forever imbalance and the value area low of this volume profile and the 786. Yes. We have some really nice imbalances to the upside here, here, and this here. That is remained unfilled, and chances are really high that if we just took it to the upside, we're gonna fill all of these imbalances, and then continuation to the upside. If we make some good price structure, the bullish price structure like higher lows, then we can anticipate that it's going to more upside. Right now it's kind of range bound and consolidating above the change of character, probably you can say. Yeah, so change of character is can invalidate really quickly, so I'm just taking it from here, And if you just go to this 8-hour time frame, yep. So we can take it from here as well. This is our, can say that it's a breaker. Check it on 12 hours time frame. Yeah, we're having a breaker block here. This can be our breaker block if we close above it uh, today, then this is really a nice confluence area that we reject it here at the change of character COCH, and now we are making support above it on this breaker. If this gives good bounce from this point, then you can say really nice opportunity for the upside move. Yes, you can say that it can give us um yep, 2-3% move to the upside at least. Yep, 12-hour breaker. Just for remember. Yes. Target till the range POC, the high volume node and the POC. That is the target for for S&P 500 POC high volume node. That's the target. I'm taking the stop loss below this change of character level because for the invalidation purpose, um, yeah. Let's go to the lower time frame. So the OTE entry has been filled there. If you just, yes, targets are to this support resistance area on the lower time frame. Last target is here. Mhm. Mm, on the 5 minute time frame, the structure is already shifting, so it's a nice sign here. They're making the high lows probably, and if we see some move to the upside, then I think our OT entry and target is gonna fail. And if more profit you want, some bonus targets, then this high volume note and the high volume note plus the PFC, as I told you all earlier. Yes, this is it. And if we see, it can make a good harmonic here on the lower time frame. Yeah, bearish crab. Bearish crab, yeah. On 1 hour time frame, we have the imbalance in our target zone. So these all are our confluences for the trade setup that we just spotted right now on our charts. The breaker, change of character, the candle you see here is really uh, the candle you see here is making doji. The reversal candle for like this one, so probably the Monday Monday open can be gap up, open gap up, yeah, possibly. So this is all based on the Monday. If we see Monday dollar opens to the downside, then our target can hit on uh, ES mini, yeah. And this is, it's all the trade for Monday. 1.76 and 2.57. Yes, we will see it on Monday what's gonna happen next. Okay, for now it's all good. Let's take a look on dowjones. Whoa, very nice. Rejected exactly from the relatively equal highs, daily imbalance, the resistance fan, everything aligned with. Also, you can see the pitchfork that I just drew, the 0.5. It's been rejected exactly to the dollar. It's front run the daily level, but that's okay because we have 4 confluences for this short trade setup. Yeah. I think Dow Jones is. Hmm. Hmm. Dow Jones makes sense for a corrective move to the downside. Um, from this point, let's see. Right now, Dow Jones is at the bullish order block, but that can mitigate easily and it can go more downside. Right now, what I am looking is more corrective wave in Dow Jones, to be honest, like probably like this, something, or maybe something like this to the downside. So let's see if if we see some good sign of strength in Dow Jones, then this is the target. Simple. Yes, simple. This is the target. And if not, then this is the target. That is really easy trade. That if you see any sign of its strength, breaking this median of the pitchfork, flipping it into support, then this is your target area. To be honest, you can place your stop loss entry and just enjoy the target. And if Dow Jones failed to hold this support and reject it from this median, then high chances that we are going to see more correction to the downside towards the golden pocket and this Fibonacci speed fan. So, so yeah, that's all. Mhm. It's going downside for the retest of maybe 16,750. Why I am looking for a scalp long while the trend is to the downside? You will be surprising that why Jazzy is looking for a long position. Meanwhile, the trend is indicating the to the downside, making the lower highs and lower lows and straight to the downside. Well, since I am already in my short position from here, I am not looking for another short position at this point. When people are taking profit at these zones, I am not supposed to take short at this time because the risk reward is not good. I'm not even compounding my shorts at this point. What I am looking is hedging my short position with a scalp long that can eventually turn into a swing long as well. Like if we just break through to the upside, filling the volume inefficiency gap and the 4 hour order flows as well. Also, we have the really nice, if I can show you, yeah, here we go. Really nice single prints in this zone. You see that? This is 19,200 300 zone. If if we see a bounce and good market structure, then we can see that we can hit our target. Also, why I am saying this, because it will it will be good to hedge your swing short with a long position always, but this is only for professionals, not for the beginners. So that's why this is the safe zone for taking a scalp long. If we stop out, we stop out, doesn't matter. If plans invalidate, then it's really nice to take a stop loss because price will be heading down to our next level of support here. Okay, simple. Also, you will be surprising if I show you something here to the equal lows here. 19,370.72 and 19,120 align with our volume and efficiency gap. Golden pocket here to the upside. Okay, if you know how to pull this Fibonacci from the internal swing high to internal swing low, if you come in our group, we will explain it to you, we will educate you, because that is our main core responsibility to teach and educate you all, because we are the Hedgers Academy. We are not the financial advisors, we are the teachers. We teach how to trade, how to pull fibs, how to do basic stuff, as well as the advanced technical analysis. So volume and efficiency gap, golden pocket, two confluences, and the third confluence is our TPO. In our TPO template, we having single prints here that is eventually get filled sooner or later. So these are our three confluences in this area. So probably after deviating this trend line, probably taking the liquidity, like we just put in our group as well in the heat map section. Now, taking the liquidity, price can move to the upside. Simple. It's really simple. Price has already took the liquidity, and as you can see here that we show you before, here we go, liquidity here 16,800, and now it's been taken. This is our Discord group, and the benefit is we update time by time, really minute to minute updates in our group, the paid high block liquidation levels as well. That's why we always say that join the professionals to do not get wrecked easily. So the liquidity has been taken, and the deviation of this to take the stop losses of late longs, punish all those late longs, breakout traders, high leverage, over leverage traders, taking the liquidity or liquidating them, stopping them, punishing them, then we can see some move to the upside like this to finish the unfinished business as usual. Okay, so that's why I am looking for a scalp long to hedge my shorts. Simple. If this become eventually the swing long, then I will cut my shorts looking for take profit. Or maybe I will see if the plans, if the sign of strength is good, I'll be booking my partial profit. I already did partial profit book at this level already 16,800. I already booked 25% profit here. So if it moved to the upside as per the sign of its strength, then I don't mind. I will be stopping out here on my trailing stop loss. That's really cool for me because I am in a win-win situation. I make money here on my shorts, and now I will be making money on my longs eventually if it becomes the swing long. But right now I'm just doing scalping. I'm not looking for a swing long because I have not seen a sign of strength yet. Also, if you come here on the charts, we are just rejecting from the monthly POC on the EXO, and there is we are below the VWAP, reclaiming this volume weighted VWAP, then probably the sign of strength will come. You know what I mean? So big players will jump in when we go above the VWAP. Okay. Also, if you can see here, yeah, why I was saying that I have not seen any, uh, you can say, the sign of strength because the CVD is really neutral right now, just ranging. The open interest is going up, price is not following it. Plus, net longs just closing but not increasing that much. Instead, shorts are increasing. Also, if you see the order flows footprints, we have really low amount of volume, plus the delta is not much. The audience, most of it is not bullish right now. So once we see the delta is coming in, positive delta, and the volume following it, then we can just say that it's really the good time for the sign of strength. And that's how I confirm my well planned trades, uh, to anticipate that this is the kind of strength move or weak move, the strong move or weak move. It's all depend on the volume and the footprints data. So when we see some good delta coming in, the CVD is good, volume is good, not longer increasing, open interest is following the price, then we can say the trend is really strong momentum to the upside. You know, you see the shorts, aggressive shorts in these candles. Eventually, what happens that most of the time market makers squeeze them all to the upside in just one bullish candle. So I am waiting for that moment that aggressive short sellers gonna get squeezed up in one single candle. So that is also my sign of strength on the chart. So right now I'm just doing this as per this scalp plan, and I will be monitoring the charts time by time to validate that it will become the swing trade or not. Okay. So today we just covered up almost everything in our analysis today. So let's wind it up, and I'll be watching you in the next video. I'll be meeting you in the next video, and it's really late night in my country. Time to sleep after analyzing the charts too much. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Take care.